Well, hello again, everyone. Welcome back to another show with the Crafty Hook. Again, my name is Nona. Thank you all for stopping by. I'm glad you're all here today. I did do a video the other day on a yarn haul that I did, and I realized after I did that video, there was some yarn I actually forgot to show you that was in the package. One of the other yarns that I decided to try out was by Hobby. It was Hobby yarn, and it is the rainbow. The rainbow yarn here. This is a 2-weight yarn. It did say, one of the other ladies that I know that uses Hobby yarn told me that this is a really good yarn to use for like making socks, slipper socks, things like that. This is 100% cotton yarn by Hobby, and this is rainbow pink. So I actually got like several different rolls of this. I got pretty much every color of the rainbow. I got the pink here. I got, I guess it's like a bluish green one here. Kind of another light pink, because I thought if I did make socks, I figured these two might look good together. And then I also thought that these two would look good together. So I'm definitely going to try it out. As I stated, this is, some of these are a weight 1, and some of them are a weight 2. Like this green one here is a little bit thinner than this one. This is actually a 2, this is a 1. So I got the 2 different types of weight on it because I wanted to see what difference it would make when I do create the sock. And I'm going to do that on a sock loom, and I'll show you that as well. So when I do the socks, I have a couple of different ones, and I have a little bit bigger one, but I kind of like to do my kids' socks on kind of this one here. This is a 36 peg 1/4 inch loom from Cottage Looms. So this is one I'm going to try first with the 1-weight yarn. Kind of see how it turns out on that. And then I have this one here that's got kind of a similar look, but as you can see, it's a little more rounder on this one. It's not as close, so kind of see the difference when I end up making those socks on those. But yes, I think I got a total of about 20 rolls of these all together in different colors. So yeah, as I stated, I got like about 20 different rolls. Here's a couple of the other colors I had gotten. This one here, the Hobby yarn, this got like a orange and red and yellow. I got a couple rolls of that one. I got just the plain white on there. Another one of the greens I was talking about, kind of a little bit darker green. Maybe I can mix that in with the other green colors on the stock. And then I would say it's kind of a peachy yellow color here. So yeah, I'm going to take all of these. I'm not sure how I'm going to coordinate the colors. These two here I kind of thought would go together kind of for like maybe this as the top of the stock and maybe this one as like the foot of the stock. Not quite sure yet, but I'm definitely going to try them on the looms. I'm going to try on each one, see what the difference is in the size and that, and when I get to that project, we'll do a video on it as well. I got like several of the pinks, all different shades of colors of the pinks. I got 4 or 5 different of the blues here, and then I got 2 or 3 of the greens. And just going to kind of put them together, kind of see what type of socks and that I can come up with, see how they turn out. I'm really interested in it. It's kind of a new thing I've never really made. I made slippers like with the Burnett blanket yarn, you know, the bulky 5, I think it is, yarn. I have made slippers out of that, but I've never actually made socks. So I'm definitely kind of excited to try that. Another one I got here was the Tweed Dreams by Hobby, 100% acrylic here. This one here is it's kind of like a baby blue. It doesn't really say the color, it just says color 29 on it. But it is like a baby blue, and it's got like these little blue speckles through it. This one is a weight 3. So I'm going to try to make a pair of slippers, like just a slip-on pair of slippers out of it, and kind of see how it turns out. I thought that would be kind of interesting, but I got like 3 or 4 rolls of this to try the slippers out also. So I do apologize, I actually forgot about these ones to add into the yarn video, but I thought I'd do a real quick one for you and show you the rest of that package. So, kind of part of the yarn haul here. Again, hobby is one of my favorite yarns, and I really like to talk a lot about the hobby and the premier yarns. So y'all, thank you all for stopping by again today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you all on the next one. You have a wonderful day. See you guys soon.